am Shruti. I will teach you science. Today's date is 1st September 2020. Day Tuesday. Per month SCP TEM September. So first chapter you have is parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about structure and functions of root, stem and leaf. So in the earlier class only we have learned about the different parts of a plant and functions. And in this class we will learn in more detail about the functions carried out by the different parts of a plant. So see, suppose I am going to draw a little small plant like this. Okay, now this is root. No, this is root. So first we are going to learn about the function of a root. So in the earlier class only we have learned about different parts of a plant. This is root, this is stem, leaves, flower, flowers, fruits. Yes or no? Yes. So roots grow underground, roots grow below the soil. So these roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Now here we have a small activity from which we are going to small activity given here to just to know that roots absorb minerals and water. See here you take one small sapling of a plant or sasi. Sapling means one sasi. One gira sasi togondo you just dip it in a jar containing violet water. Okay. So this is just a jar. You just mix a violet color in it. So it just turns into violet color. Then you just dip a sapling into the jar here. On the sasi togondo you ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ violet color ಇರುವಂತ ಒಂದು jar ಒಳಗಡೆ dip ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what you can observe here, so the flower, leaf and all will turn into violet color. Okay. So all this flower and leaf will change into violet color. So from this we'll conclude that roots absorb water and it takes the color of the particular color inside the water. Now observe some plants such as trees, grass and saplings on a windy day. What do you see? Though the weather is windy, the plants are not uprooted. So you see when a wind blows, you can observe the movement of a plant or a tree. So it just falls. It assumes that it's going to fall. ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ತೆಂಗಿನ ಮರ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಬೀಸಿದ್ರೆ fall. Uprooted means trees get uprooted and trees ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬೀಳೋದು. So actually other tree it will not fall down so easily because the roots are very much, they are firmly, tightly they are inside the soil. The roots hold ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೀನ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟ್ರೀನ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೇರಲ್ಲಿ hold ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. So it will not get uprooted easily. So this is because the roots hold the soil particles tightly and secure the plant from to the ground. So ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ಸಸಿನ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೂಣಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ನೆಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಫ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು keep it remain in the soil for a very long days, 1 month 2 month ಆ ಥರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಕೀಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಸೋ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದರ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಯಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರನ್ನು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಮ್ಮರೈಸ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸಿ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೀವು ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರ ಗಿಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇರಿಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. And this transport these up to the stem leaves through the thin tubes present in them. So ಈಗ ನೀವು ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀರ, ಅದು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ದಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್. ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್, ಇದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So roots hold the soil particles firmly, thereby holding the plant firmly with the soil. So roots ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಣ್ಣೊಳಗಡೆ ಬೇರು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. So thus this holds the plant firmly to the soil. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಗಿಡ ನೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬೇರು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. So some roots like carrots store excess food prepared by the leaves. So you can see some few vegetables there. They are under the ground. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಭೂಮಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್, ರಾಡಿಶ್, all these vegetables they will grow inside the root, inside the soil. So now we come to the stem. Now we have studied about the root. What are the functions of the root? So what are the functions of the root? So roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and transport to the stem. Then this stem will carry the mineral and water from the root and distribute to other different parts of a plant. ಅದೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ಗೆ, ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಅದರ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Now this stem grows above the soil. So root ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ, it is below the soil. So now the stem it grows above the soil. It supports the branches. See, branches ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಂಬೆಗಳು. You have seen a plant. ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು, you know very well. So it supports branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Again water and minerals absorbed by the roots are carried to the leaves by the tubes in the stem. So this is the stem. ಈ stem ಒಳಗಡೆ thin tubes ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So as we have nerves inside our body cells, ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟು ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ನರ್ವ್ಸ್. ನರಗಳ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈಗ ರೂಟಿಂದ ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಥಿನ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ರೂ ದೀಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ದ minerals, water to the other parts of a plant. Now functions of the stem: supports other parts of the plant such as branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Thin tubes inside the stem carry water and minerals absorbed by the roots to the branches and leaves. So ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಿನರಲ್, ಆ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ they have thin tubes. ಆ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ it will support the other different parts of a plant. The stem also transports the food prepared by the leaves to the different parts of a plant. So you know the leaf is the food factory of a plant. So food is prepared in the leaves. Plant ಅಲ್ಲಿ food prepare ಆಗೋದು leaves ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So ಈ leaves ಇಂದ food ನ stem ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ part ಗೆ carry ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So some stems like potato and sugar cane stores excess food prepared by the leaves. So even a potato, ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಮತ್ತೆ sugar cane cocoa ಅಲ್ಲಿ stem ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ sugar cane like this. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ this sugar cane plant ಅಲ್ಲಿ this stem ಒಳಗಡೆ food ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆದಾಗ leaves ಅಲ್ಲಿ so this will store inside. So ಈ thin tubes ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ they will store the excess food prepared by the leaves. Now we will come to leaf part now. So leaves grow on the stem. So even we have seen here even leaf ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ stem ಗೆ attach ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. This will grow on the stem and the branches. So the leaf is the food factory of the plant. Only green plants make their own food. So you have seen almost all the plants are green in color. Plants and trees are usually green in color. So ಈಗ a leaf content ಅಲ್ಲಿ you have chlorophyll pigment. So leaf ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ chlorophyll ಅನ್ನೋ green pigment ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this helps the leaves to make food. So this chlorophyll will help the leaves to prepare the food. So thus the plant needs plenty of green leaves to be able to make sufficient food. ಒಂದು plant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಲೆಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು it will grow healthy, isn't it? So as we now ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ if we eat sufficient and healthy food only our body ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು our health will be good. So ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲೀಫ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ so that will help the plant to grow healthily. So leaf is made up of layers of cells. So leaf we have observed how leaf will be. So now we will study about the leaf. So this is midway ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, here you will centrally ಒಂದು line ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this is midvein. So observe a leaf closely. At the center of the leaf runs the midvein. From this vein a fine network of veins is spread all over the leaf. So see here this is the leaf. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್ this is called midvein. Okay, these are all it is the cells. Pores sometimes. So these are lateral veins. What we call this one is lateral veins. This is network of veins. Okay, so ಇದು centrally line ಇರೋದು this is called midvein. These are all left part ಇರೋದು lateral veins. These are called network of veins. So the midvein of the leaf is formed rows of two types of cells. Each row of cells appear like a pipeline. So ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ lines pipeline ತರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. So this is two rows. Each row of cells appear like a pipeline. Rows of one type of cells bringing water and minerals into the leaves. Food prepared by the leaves travels out to other parts of the plant through the rows of the other type of cells. So ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ರೋ ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So this side food is prepared this side and water is present on this side of a leaf. Now the lowest layer of these cells of the leaf has openings called stomata. So air enters and exits through the stomata. So even so present on the leaf. So the excess water reaching the leaf through the rows of cells is also thrown out through the stomata. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತೇವಾಂಶ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ if you pour more water to the plant ಈಗ ಲೀಫ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅದರ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ exit. So the excess water reaching the leaf through the rows of cells is also thrown out through the stomata. ಈಗ rows of cells ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೀರು ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ನ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೀರನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೆ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ the excess water present on the rows of the leaf is thrown out by the stomata. Excess water iruttala leaf mele so it is thrown out through the stomata aache agutte stomata mukantara adu neerina aache agutte this process is called transpiration. Now how do the leaves prepare food? We have come to know. See here. So stomata irutte. So inga niku idi leaf ee tara irutte. So inside that small bubbles like small bubble type alli kanutte. If you want you just can observe a leaf. You just take a leaf from any plant. You just observe the different things on a which are present on the leaf. You leaf ಒಂದು ಎಲೆನ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ if you observe carefully you come to know. See this is the stomata. So now we'll discuss how these leaves prepare food. So we have learned that the leaves prepare food for plants with the help of chlorophyll. So what are all the things need for a leaf to prepare food? Now how we will prepare food at home? Kitchen how we cook the food? What are all the ingredients we need? So first we need stove. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ then we add the cooking oil. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಸಾಸಿವೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಕಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಕರಿ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಕರಿಬೇವು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ then we add chili then we put onions. So these are the ingredients. ನಾವೇನು ಫುಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಬೇಕು ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಬೇಕು ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ we need. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಲೀಫ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫುಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ need? Chlorophyll, a green colored pigment present in leaves. Chlorophyll absorb energy from the sunlight. So chlorophyll how it is present on the leaf andre adu it is absorbed by the sunlight. Okay, you know why will your mother or any iga manenalli mummy athwa manenalli hege plant nalliga pot na yake sunlight ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ because to prepare food sunlight is also very much necessary. ಈ sunlight ಇಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಲೀಫಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ by all these things with the help of all these things chlorophyll, sunlight, water, minerals, carbon dioxide, so all with help of all these ingredients leaves prepare food. So air enters the leaf through the stomata. So air enter ಆಗೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ exit ಆಗೋದು ಕೂಡ stomata ಇಂದ. So only carbon dioxide from the air is used by the leaf to prepare food. So carbon dioxide air ಅಂದ್ರೆ carbon dioxide oxygen we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ನ ಆಚೆ ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ನ ಕೇರಿಂದ ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ದ ಲೀಫ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಮಿಡ್ ವೇನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಮಿಡ್ ವೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಲೀಫ್ಗೆ. So in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, the leaf uses carbon dioxide, water, minerals to prepare food. The prepared food is in the form provides energy for the growth of plants. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಫುಡ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? In the form of sugar. So simple sugar form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this helps the plant to grow healthily. So during the process, leaves give out excess oxygen and water through the stomata. So ನಮಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ ಇಂದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಲೀಫ್ ಇಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So we consume that oxygen. So the process by which green leaves prepare food using air, water and minerals in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. This process is called photosynthesis. So this you know very well. Last year only we have learned all this, isn't it? So photosynthesis is the process by which green plant prepare food with the help of air, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means combining of things to prepare something new. Photo ಅಂದ್ರೆ light, okay, sunlight. Photo means light, synthesis ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ things ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, air, mineral, water, chlorophyll, all these things. This is synthesis. Combining of things to prepare something new. Synthesis. So food prepared by the leaf is in the form of sugar. So as I told, now any of the food prepare agade leaf inda adu will be in the form of sugar. So excess sugar is converted into starch and stored in different parts of the plant. So excess sugar again it will convert it into starch. So this excess sugar is converted into starch and stored in different parts of the plant. In different part of the flower and fruit alli idu starch annadu stored agutte. Now we will see the functions of the leaves. So leaves take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, thus helping the plant in preparing its own food by photosynthesis. So leaves em madutte, it will take in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. So this helps the plant to prepare the food. Then the process is called photosynthesis. Leaves take in oxygen needed for the respiration in plants. So leaves em madutte, it will take in oxygen. So needed for the respiration in plants. So during transpiration, plants give out excess water through the stomata in leaves. So transpiration I told no. So stomata. So the excess water contained on the leaf is thrown out by the stomata. So this process is called transpiration. So transpirationally plants give out excess water through the stomata. Okay children, so for today I just part of the lesson I teach you tomorrow. This is enough for today. So in today's lesson, in today's class we learned about the different parts of a plant and different functions of the different parts of the plant. So root alli first root em madutte, then stem what it will do. So then we studied about the leaves. So leaf alli between yavu water which are the lateral veins. So stomata here irutte, network of veins. So photosynthesis andreno, transpiration andreno, all these things we learned in this first chapter. So that's just half of the class. I'll teach you tomorrow. Thank you children.